Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to steam a Chinese Pomfret, Teochew style. But I have to admit that there is one very important ingredient that I don't have right now because I don't have the tomato. Why? Because Appa just came back from my hometown celebrating Chinese New Year, and I already cleared my fridge before that, and I forgot I don't have the tomato. Okay, anyway, it is still going to taste really good and sourish and savory. Yeah. So why is it people like to eat Chinese Pomfret especially during Chinese New Year? It is because of its round shape, as you can see from here. Yeah, it's a beautiful round shape, and it is very thick. Chinese pomfret is actually the most expensive among all the different kinds of pomfret, such as white pomfret, silver pomfret, or black pomfret, because it is very meaty, as you can probably see. Yeah, very meaty. And how would you be able to identify? You can look at two things. Number one, from the mouth here is actually not as sharp, and also here is also not as sharp. If this part here is very sharp, then if the tail is very sharp, then that is actually the white pomfret. And so what we need to do is, of course, you need to clean the fish. And I'll be cutting. I actually cut 2 slits on the body of the fish to allow the fish to get cooked easier and get steamed more evenly later. Okay, so let's look at what other ingredients we need. We will need some shitake mushroom, some tofu. I'll probably don't need all of this. I'll probably just take some of it. And so small cups of, this is the salted veggie, yeah, or pickled mustard green, ham choy, yeah, okay, ham choy. And some fresh coriander, some pork lard, yeah. And this is or if you don't have pork lard, you can even put in pork belly. 1 piece of pork belly. And then this is some red chili. This is what really makes it sour. It is not the pickled mustard green. It is actually this one. This is called the salted plum. Salted plum, but it is actually super sour, especially the juice here. So you want to use the salted plum together with the juice. Yeah, at least about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the salted plum juice. You can get it easily from any supermarket. And I have some ginger slices. This is the water I use to soak my shitake mushroom. And let's start cooking. First of all, I'm going to marinate the fish with a little bit of salt. Okay. I will put some of the ginger at the bottom here to raise the fish a little bit, right? And few pieces of tofu around. And then the shitake mushroom. This is going to soak out the nice flavor also as well, yeah, later. You need to rehydrate it, yeah, soak it for about at least 30 minutes. Then cut it into very thin slices. I don't mind putting some on top, so that some of the mushroom flavor can go in as well. And pickled mustard green, put some on top, some at the side. And this is the salted plum. Put it somewhere at the bottom. Pour the plum sauce over. And then we have some pork lard. Yeah, pork lard. This is pork lard. And ginger. So put in this is the sauce. The water I use to soak the shiitake mushroom. right? We will leave the rest towards the end for garnishing. I'll probably give a bit of chili here as well. Then we just get ready the steamer. So get ready your steamer, make sure the water is boiling. Then carefully put in the steamer plate and steam it for approximately 10 minutes using medium high heat. Some may ask Appa, why is it Appa did not this round Appa did not remove the fishy water? Well, it's really up to you. If you want to do that, still okay. Then what you do is you don't put in the ingredients first. You steam the fish first for approximately about 2 minutes. Then only you take it out, remove the fishy water, go back in, and then only you put in all the other ingredients and steam it together for the remaining 8 minutes. You can do that. Yeah, you can do that. But from my experience, Chinese pomfret or white pomfret, the fishy water that come out is really not much. So I will just do away with it. And then also because this dish will come with very sourish flavor from the ingredient I added, the sauce just now I added. So I think it's fine. Yeah. So I just steam it from beginning till the end. Okay, this is after approximately 10 minutes. I'm going to remove the lid. Ooh. Oh, it smells so good. I can smell the very sourish flavor. Okay, wait until the steam releases. Then we can carefully use a tongue to take out the fish. See what I told you? See, it doesn't look milky to you, right? Like I said, it doesn't have much fishy water. From a Chinese pomfret and also white pomfret, I think also very similar. Okay, so we will garnish it with some red chili on top and some spring onion. All right. If you don't have pork lard, it's okay. No worries. There you go. Very simple. Something that symbolizes perfectness and also reunion. One of the best dishes during Chinese New Year. Happy Chinese New Year to all of you. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.